GIS for us at Airtel has helped in a very big way, I would say. One is basically for the initial planning of my network to identify the potential locations, then to get on the high-rise buildings or commercial locations, or prioritize which is the place where we need to get our network deployed. So that's where it has helped. Okay. Post that, how it has helped is basically onto operationalization of what we have deployed and getting in the new customers, acquisitions, and all those things. I think if everybody knows, I think air fiber is one of the new thing which has been there in the market. Okay. For that, GIS has been one of the key component in customer acquisition as well. So the first thing which happens is the GIS check whether a customer can be connected, or maybe he will be connected in 1 week or 15 days, or maybe what's the plan. Okay, so that's how the Airtel, it's been helpful for us. Since ArcGIS is one of the robust platform which is available in the market, why do I say that? Okay, it has got a very good capabilities of spatial intelligence. When we are talking of spatial intelligence, it is basically either services or a web interface or an app-based thing or an SDK which needs to be going into the third-party applications we built internally within the organizations. So on those fronts, actually it has got very good base which can be exploited for our business processes, which is what we have done. Okay, so that's the strength of ArcGIS. One of the key things which would be utilizing the AI is the spatial AI part, which I spoke in just the conference as well. So spatial AI is one thing which is going to be very helpful. Say suppose I have my network, I have my field engineers, I need to know spatially that whether my engineers who are there at the site how quickly they can address any requirement at particular site. That's one thing. Second thing is I have the customer in field and there is an sales executive or maybe the other partner team member who's there. How fast I'll be able to reach him and maybe acquire that customer. That's where it is helping us. And if you're talking of further putting AI into place, the back office teams, we are looking at enabling them with the generative AI sort of thing, which is going to help me in giving a spatial feel to whatever he is working on. See, currently, if you look at, we all have been using the GIS and all those things. But what is the future for the user? It has to be something like user enters basic prompts. He should be able to spatially look at how the things are looking like in the field. It could be whatever he's wanting to, whether it's a potential, whether it's acquisitions, whether it's the service availability, all those things. He should be able to see that by his basic prompts. Rather than depending on somebody, he should be able to do that. I think that's what we are trying to leverage. One of the key things which we make use of ArcGIS or maybe Esri platforms here is building the business analytics and also the local spatial data which we have got. Marrying both the things is actually helping in pinpointing either it could be a rural location or it could be semi-rural or maybe urban periphery which is just getting developed as an urban area or a dense urban area. So that's where it happens, that's where it comes. So that is the point wherein it is helping us, because it's just not the urban areas, it's actually going into the rural or maybe the remotest location where we can. Esri India team has been very supportive, okay, very proactive, okay. I have been interacting with at all the levels of the teams. They are very positive, okay, and good at resolution of any challenges, either at the product side or at the support side. I think we have seen that.